Adding items from the catalog is one of the most powerful features SixBit has to offer. Items can be added from the catalog in a few different ways. Open a new item window by using the Add button in the ribbon bar. You can search the catalog with unique identifiers or the product title. Enter the unique identifier in the product ID field and then select type from the dropdown. In this case, I'll be using an ISBN. Use the Search with Preview function to see all available catalog entries for the product. By using a catalog entry, entering the information yourself can be avoided. The title, picture, description, and many of the item specifics will not need to be entered. Use the Item Research tabs to find any information you may be missing that is necessary for listing, such as price or item dimensions. Return to the eBay Catalog tab, check the Always Overwrite the Title with Catalog Results box, select your product, and click OK. Fill out any remaining fields that are required for listing. You will often need to enter the item condition, item dimensions, and price information manually for items added from the catalog. You may notice that the description field remained blank. This is because the catalog description will be automatically applied to your listing once it has been submitted to eBay. It can take 5 to 10 minutes for the catalog information to appear on your eBay listing. Once the item details are filled out, save and exit the item. Your item should now be ready for listing. Let's take a look at an example after the catalog data has been applied. All catalog information appears in the About This Product section of the eBay listing. You can also add catalog items directly from the Add dropdown in the ribbon bar. You will be able to use an item template, choose to use stock photos, overwrite the title with catalog results, and create a 6-bit item for products not found in the catalog. Enter the unique identifiers one per line or separated by commas in the box provided. Identifiers can be imported from a CSV file using the Import Identifiers button. One downside to adding catalog items in bulk is the inability to do item research beforehand. The stock photo, product title, and some item specifics are imported from the catalog entry. Fill out any remaining fields that are required for listing. You will often need to enter the item condition, item dimensions, and price information manually for items added from the catalog. Once you've entered the missing item information, save and exit the item.